Hello traders, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to do a top-down analysis on US dollar index. So we are going to start from the higher time frame, which is this monthly time frame. As you can see on the monthly time frame, US dollar index has been trading within this range from this high to this low. So on the monthly time frame, the mid-range of this range was essential. It acted as a level of resistance for several times, and once price went above this level flipped to be support area. So after going up to this monthly fair value gap, price then knocked back into this mid-range and got supported from this higher time frame mid-range, which is this level in here, and also this monthly fair value gap from this high to this low, as well as if we take a fib from this low to this high, it got supported on the mid of this fib also at discount area. So if it is supported on this level, so we should expect expansion to the upside. Then the question is how far it can go. According to the monthly time frame, we have a monthly fair value gap in here. Also, if we take this high to this low, then we will have a mid on here, which is this line. So this is the mid of this range. So this level and also this monthly fair value gap should be our initial target, and if price manages to go higher above this mid, then we can target this highs and eventually this highs. So currently, according to the monthly time frame, we have this monthly fair value gap and also the mid of this range, which is here. If we zoom in a little bit on this monthly time frame, we can see that we have this monthly fair value gap as well from this high to this low. So this fair value gap and its consequent encouragement can be essential level of support for US dollar index to go higher into this fair value gap and this mid. And we have also this down candles, which can be order blocks, and this fair value gap. So this is the area we should be looking for longs to the upside into this mid and this monthly fair value gap. After closing a monthly above this mid, then we can expect higher prices above this level and eventually this level. So currently we target these levels. Now we go into the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, you can see that we have this weekly power of 3, this phase of accumulation, manipulation and expansion. According to this range, we should expect a twice move from this range, which will be in here, this line. So this is the target for this power of 3 initial target. And also we have this weekly buy side liquidity and this weekly fair value gap, which is monthly fair value gap as well. So this red line can be our initial target according to this power of 3 that I have shared in my Telegram channel as well. Beside this range accumulation phase, we can also take this Judas swing as a range and then see how high the target can be. So if we take from this high to this low, then this will be our range, which is our Judas swing, and 2.5 times of this range will be our initial target, which is this yellow line, and 4 times of this Judas swing range will be here, which is above this height. So the initial target is within this red line and this orange line around 109 and 108. Within this level, this can be our initial target, and this is an important level of resistance, this mid. If price manages to go higher above this level, then this 4 times of this range can be our second target, which is above this high, and price might eventually go all the way to this range high of the monthly time frame range. So this is the power of 3 on the weekly time frame that we are dealing. I remove this for now. Now I have zoomed into the daily time frame. In daily time frame, we can see that price has been ranging in here, and it went lower to take the sell side liquidity and internal liquidity from this lows, and it is also possible that this goes lower below this level and this level to take internal liquidity and then go higher. In here, if we consider the last 3 months, which will be our EBITDA data range from the last day of the previous month, we go back 60 daily candles, which will be here, and this will be according to the time our EBITDA data range. In this EBITDA data range, we can see that this was our essential swing low, and this is swing high. So if we take from this swing low to this swing high, we will form a range according this EBITDA data range, and this range has a discount area below this mid range. That price has just tagged this mid range and went below that, so now it is trading in the discount area, and we should be looking for buys according to this EBITDA data range. So from here we should be looking for buys. It can be supported on this level on the mid of this EBITDA data range, which is also the 4-hour order block and also this monthly consequent encouragement, or it will go lower into this daily fair value gap, take liquidity from this lows, and then we should be looking for buys on this, which is also the OT level of this EBITDA data range. So the initial support level on the daily time frame is here and then around here, and the targets are the levels I have shown on the higher time frame, which was weekly and monthly time frame. So I remove this, and we now go into the 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, we consider that EBITDA data range, which is this blue range from this low to this high. You can see this was the mid. On this mid, we have this 4-hour order block, which is around here, and we have this monthly consequent encouragement, this orange line. So this is the monthly fair value gap high, this is the monthly fair value gap low, and this is its consequent encouragement. So this level and also this 4-hour order block is the initial level of support, and then this daily fair value gap is the second level of support on the discount area of this EBITDA data range, which is this level is also the ICTOT level. So either price gets supported on this level or this level, we should be looking for buys to the upside, and this is the 4-hour time frame power of 3 that we have. This was accumulation, manipulation around here, and then expansion to the upside. So I remove this EBITDA data range to make the chart a bit clearer, and here you can see that if we take this power of 3's Judas swing from this high to this low, this Judas swing from this high to this low, 2.5 times of this range will be this level, which is above the weekly buy side liquidity, also into this weekly and monthly fair value gap. So this power of 3's initial target will be here, which is above this buy side liquidities, and the second target will be 4 times of this Judas swing range, which is all the way up on this level, below on the monthly time frame mid that I have marked. So currently we have this power of 3 on the 4-hour time frame with the targets of this level and this level, and we should expect support price to be supported on this level or a bit lower after taking sell side liquidity from this lows on this level, and then we should expect continuation to the upside. So this was the US dollar index top down analysis. I hope it was insightful and you enjoyed this. Have a great weekend.